Hello everyone. In previous video, we explored teaching techniques of letter S sound in group level 1. Before proceeding to lesson 2, which covers letter A sound, please help your child to revise letter S sound. For revision, you can use materials provided in my previous video. For more details, please check the description box. This video is divided into 3 steps. First step is introducing letter A and its sound along with building A words vocabulary. Second step is sound activities for letter S and A sound. Third step is introducing few sight words. With the help of sight words, your child will be able to read simple sentences independently in next couple of lessons. We'll explain more about sight word later in this video.
Let's start with step 1.
Children are naturally drawn to rhymes and stories. So we will continue using simple and attractive rhymes stories to introduce letter A sound in this video as well. Here I will share one more new technique which is simple yet very effective for holding your child attention in the topic.
Let's start with phonic rhyme. I think this is one of the best rhyme to introduce letter A sound A. Next is phonic story. In previous video we used I Spy game along with story to improve kids' vocabulary as well as to hold their attention in the topic. Here we will do simple Q&A game after narrating story. Questions should be in such a way that answer must have A sound in it. This is in order to improve kids' A letter sound vocabulary before moving to sound activity.
Who was the ant's friend?
Alligator.
What did ant share with alligator?
This apple.
Can you tell me few words in the story which starts with A sound?
Yes. Apple and alligator.
Till now we were working on letter A sound A. Now we will teach how letter A looks like
Both in upper and lower case.
Effective way of achieving it is by tracing sandpaper letters. In case if you don't have sandpaper letter, you can make your child to trace on floor or sand. Fill a tray with flour and encourage your child to trace letters on it. Even they can trace shapes, letters, numbers or anything they want. This activity can get messy but children will love it. Even it helps to keep them away from TV for a while. Tracing flour or sand having lots of advantage. One of it is developing fine motor control. I'll tell more about the benefit of this activity later in some other video. This is another activity to build letter awareness. I will be providing free printable document of this in description box. Here, child need to color letters as per instruction. While working on this activity, they will pay attention to structural difference in letters, which in turn helps them to develop letter awareness. Second step is sound activity. This activity enables child to identify sound in any given word. Effective way of developing sound awareness in child is through game. You can play I Spy game. Let's say you see a book in the room. You can say I spy something that starts with B sound. After your child guess what you spy, ask them to tell which letter makes that sound. Take turn with your child. First you spy, then they spy, or vice versa. One useful tip to maintain your child interest in game is to make game bit balanced by pretending to not knowing the answer once in a while and ask your child for help. It works like a charm for me. Please try and let me know if it works for you as well. Another way to teach sound effectively is by using item your child fond of. Ask them to say beginning, middle or ending sound of any of their toys, food or whatever they like.
Initially, help your child to identify beginning sound by stretching beginning sound of a word. Like when I say alligator. What's the beginning sound you hear?
What's the beginning sound? Is it S, S, I, E or A?
A.
Very good. What is this?
Bat.
In bat, where A sound is coming, is it in the beginning, end or in the middle? Ba.
It's in the end. So A should be.
If your child finds it difficult to identify middle sound, segment the word, means split word into individual sound and help them out to identify what's the middle sound.
A is in the end.
If it's in the end, then it will be ba. But it is bat.
In the middle.
Correct.
Another way of improving sound recognition in a given word is by using good activity sheets. Along with this video, I am sharing few simple and very effective sound activity worksheet to guide you through the process. Providing link for the same in the description box below, please check. While working on this activity sheet, if your child finds it difficult to identify its sound, use tips mentioned earlier like stretching beginning sound and segmenting a word into individual
This is
sounds.
cap. Okay. When I say cap, what's the middle sound? Is it T, S or A? Cap. K, app. Correct. Identify A sound position, where it is coming, whether it's coming in the first place or second place. What is this?
Apple.
When I say apple, where is the A sound is coming? Correct. It's coming in the beginning, so connect number 1 to apple.
Third and final step in this lesson is introducing sight words. Sight words are commonly used words like in, an, a, the, like this. Believe it or not, children's book is made of 75% of sight words. So in order to build speed and fluency when reading, child should learn to recognize such words without sounding out the letters.
In the beginning, we will start introducing only 1 or 2 sight words at a time so that it will be easier for kids to memorize those words. Let's start with word a and in. When a comes in a sentence as an article, need to pronounce it as a, as in a cat, a dog. Some call it as a, like a cat, a dog. Both are right. First is unstressed sound and later is stressed sound. I prefer pronouncing it as a. Let's keep this topic for separate video or else we may get diverted from main topic. Let's see few activities to introduce sight words. You can use this activity sheet to teach sight words. Write in and a on paper as shown here and ask your child to circle in with different color and a with different color. One more activity for sight words is encouraging your child to circle specific sight word in their storybooks or newspaper. I don't know why, but kids enjoy writing in their storybook, newspaper and on any important documents. So they are going to love it. Try this and let me know how it works for you. There are many other activities to teach sight words like flashcards, wall stickers, many more. It is huge topic, so we'll share it with you in the video dedicated for sight words. Let me summarize takeaway from this lesson. At the end of this lesson, your child will be able to identify letter A both in upper and lower case. Will know letter A sound and will be able to identify letter A sound in the beginning, middle or in the end of any simple words. Also will identify sight words like a and in any sentences. This brings us to the end of this video. Thanks for your time. Let me know your feedback in the comment box below. Please subscribe and look out for more interesting, fun and engaging teaching tips and techniques. Thank you.